Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn and in this video I'll show you the most profitable and easiest trading strategy even for beginners. And now let's start our trading session. Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group. Just go to the dialog with me and write plus VIP. Today we have a starting balance of $100. You can see it in here in the upper right corner, and so let's set up our workspace. So let's do it, and the first is the deal amount is exactly $100. Our time is 1 minute, so a minute time frame, both candles, and today we trade using one indicator, OSMA. Here's this indicator. You can turn it on, click here and choose this indicator. So let me show you the settings first. Here, it's here. Default values are suitable for us. In general, this indicator shows the divergence of the MACD line and its histogram. We also have our same indicator, similar the moments of intersection of the histogram and the line is the zero mark of OSMA. Here is the mark. And if the MACD histogram rises above the line, the OSMA rises above the zero line. In the opposite situation, OSMA shows negative values. That is, to some extent, this indicator shows a trend. In general, the strength of the trend with what force it changes. Let's also choose Consequence. We also see interest on Consequence. They indicate the amount of payments. We open a deal for $100 and if the deal is positive, then the plus will be $92. I recommend taking above 70% to have a good payout amount. Let's look at a few more Consequences. I think that's enough. During the trading process, interest rates may decrease, but this is not very important since you can turn off any concept at any time. It seems that I have explained everything, and let's move on to the first concept and start our trading session. And here we go. We are in the first concept. We'll open a trade for up trade, and let's begin our technical analysis. Let's figure it out. This first thing we see is that we can highlight the area of resistance, and let's highlight the support area. Globally, we are starting to move towards the resistance area, so there will be small adjustments, but the market will still grow. We also have a small candle of uncertainty, and this suggests that the market will roll back. So we also see a clear increase in the indicator. Two bars have already formed, they are going up. This also means the global growth of our market. So we opened up and there are two seconds left. This deal is closing profit. I remind you that we opened for an increase and in total we have $192 on our balance. And let's move straight to the next concept. Let's open a bearish trade and begin our technical analysis. First, we see a resistance area and a support area. The resistance area was recently reached. Then, after this, there was a rollback, a market adjustment. A period of consolidation is on the way and the price remains at approximately the same level. And this tells us that now our market will roll back after the green candle, so we opens down. We see from the indicator that the chart is falling. We have a bearish trend. Let's see. We see a downward candle, but we are not happy even this seconds ahead of time. So we see candle and 3 seconds left. $92 profit. Yeah, good. And $284 On my balance, the market is going down and it reached the level of minimal support. Also, all deals will be in my Telegram channel. Come and look. And the link is in the description. Well, we move on. Here we are on the next concept pair and open here for decline. Analysis. We see a resistance area and a support area. We are moving strongly towards the support area. And we can see quite large candles. Here, the support area will be broken. This is according to the analysis. And according to the indicator, we see that we have passed the zero mark. And this indicates that there's a downward trend. Also bars, two bars, these candles. The market is in the recovery stage. We will recover to this level. There are 4 seconds left until the end of the deal. We see the deal in plus, good, plus $92. And here we're with the next concept pair. Let's start up and down. We see resistance area and support area. We see the trend is going down, and that's why we opened down. According to the indicator, we see that two good bars down have opened here. This is clearly a change in trend. At this moment, the market is falling. Let's see the situation, a small pullback. We see so 5 seconds left until the deal. Yeah, we're in the black. $92 profit. Good. The balance is already almost $500. Let's move on. Next concept pair. Let's open down and we'll look in the situation. What we see that there is a good growth, a bullish trend, resistance area, a bearish trend has begun, and the market has begun to recover. And the trend will go down, so we open down. Also, according to the OSMA, we see that 2 bars down. This indicates that a decline is beginning. Perhaps there will be a period of consolidation in this area. The price will remain at the same level. 3 seconds. Almost 3 seconds, until the end of the deal. And I hope it will be a plus. Let's see. Yeah, the profit also $92. You will find all deals in my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. So trading is also carried out on concept pairs, minute time frame. You can also find it using the OSMO indicator. You can use it. So let's go on. Next concept pair. So we open down. We see an area of resistance. And highlight this and the support area. So a good candle has formed green. Most likely there will be a rollback. Here a rollback will happen at this level. This level. Also, according to the indicator, I think there will be a change in trend. And the trend will go up with minor adjustments. So let's see. There are 6 seconds left until the end of our trade. So good. Profit is $68, and let's move on to the next concept. Hello traders, my name is Lynn and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in minor options. Here you'll find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies. So we open down here and we begin our analysis. So the first thing we see is an area of resistance and area of support right here. Yeah, globally right here. So we see the resistance area here has been overcome. The trend is starting to decline. We see it here. So adjustments and market recovery will occur. According to the Osmo indicator, we see that the trend is falling and there's a slight adjustment. Let's see. So 6 seconds left. There you see this candle and the profit is $92. Good. So the indicator is helping us well. And let's move on and open the next concept. I'll open up and start our technical analysis. Let's figure it out. Well, we'll highlight the resistance area at the angle like this. Yeah, like this, and the support area narrow. The general trend is upward and therefore we opens up. According to the indicator, we see a decline in the trend. Candles are getting smaller and all the reversal in the opposite direction. We see a clear increase, the candles begin to decrease. We see so I suggest moving 812 on my balance. And let's move on to the next concept. Open here for down deal, and let's begin our technical analysis. Why we opened like this? So first we will highlight the area of resistance, and we can highlight like this. We see a short period of time and we'll highlight the standard area of resistance and approximate area of support. We see the resistance area has been broken. We see a good downward candle. Most likely the chart will now roll back down in the opposite direction. So this is easy to predict. And the situation is, according to the indicator, there are very small bars, small candles, like right here for the overall picture. A period of consolidation is possible. Let's see. The deal closes in plus, and we immediately see an increase in the balance. We move on to the next concept. I will open for an increase here. Let's start our technical analysis. The first is that the period of consolidation, resistance area, support area, a rollback in the opposite direction. We see it here. The indicator, OSMA indicator, predicts the decreasing. The end, I think it will be reversal. Let's see. There are 15 seconds until the end of the deal. And our candle goes up, as I said, profit should be 2 seconds. Yeah, good. The deal is a plus. We have almost $1,000 on my balance. This was the last concept pair, and let's sum it up. We opened with $100 and ended with almost $1,000. With a deal amount of $100, we traded on concept pairs. Here they are. The payout percentage is good. I advise you to choose a payout percentage of more than 70%. Also, here there's assets, silver, gold, oil. In crypto, we traded on concept pairs. Here are the settings, candles. We traded with the OSMA indicator. Here are the settings. You can copy it. Green color, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.